the show tonight. This is going to be our last song.
Screenwriter's Blues. It's 5 a.m. and you're listening to Los Angeles.
Exits to freeways twisted like knots on the fingers. Jewels cleaving skin between breasts. Your Cadillac brings 400 horses over blue lines. You are going to Reseda to make love to a model from Ohio whose real name you don't know. You spend like the Cadillac was overturning down a cliff on television. And the radio is on. And the radio man is speaking, and the radio man says women were a curse. So Mendo Paramount Studios, and Mendo Columbia Studios, and Mendo Los Angeles. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. And the radio man says it is a beautiful night out there. And the radio man says rock and roll lives. And the radio man says it is a beautiful night out there in Los Angeles. You live in Los Angeles, and you are going to Reseda. We are all in some way or another going to Reseda someday to die. And only on that last because the radio man fucks the model too. Gun savage for teenagers with automatic weapons and
Boundless love.
Gun savage for teenagers who are aesthetically pleasing, in other words, fly. Los Angeles beckons the teenagers to come to her on buses. Los Angeles